So you just want to talk about z-scores and percentages. So if you've got your normal distribution in the middle is the mean. When you go one standard deviation away from the mean and one standard deviation above the mean, then that area in there, 68% of the scores will lie. If you went more than one standard deviation, you went in this section there, if you did 100 minus 68, you get 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So that would be 16%, and 16% of the scores would lie there. So that would be if you're less than one standard deviation away from, like if you're going, something more than -1. But if you're at -1, it's 68. So the z-scores help you find these percentages. If you are 2 standard deviations away from the mean, that will be 95% of the score will lie in there. Okay, and if you are 3 standard deviations away from the mean, it's 99.7%. This is the mean plus 3 standard deviations minus 3 standard deviations. Now just back on this one, this would be the mean minus 2 standard deviations and the mean plus 2 standard deviations. Now in this little bit here, if you did 100 minus 95, you get 5%. Divided by 2, it would be 2.5. That's 2.5 and 2.5 in that little area there. In here, it's going to be 100 minus 99.7, which is 0.3. 0.3 divided by 2 is 0.15%. So 0.15%. So just a summary of your percentages with the normal distribution. You've got your mean. Your mean has a z-score of 0. Z-score of 1 or -1, that area in there would be 68% of the score. So it's from there to there. A z-score of 2 or -2, here, that area would be 95%. And a z-score of 3 or -3, so it's all of this around here to here, that would be 99.7%. Now these are actually on your formula sheet, so you don't have to learn them off by heart, and you just got to learn how to use them.